everyone, it's me again and welcome to Faith's Finds. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my little corner of the internet. My name is Faith Grenade and I put makeup videos here on YouTube, and you should subscribe and hit that little bell icon down below. It'll notify you every time I upload so you don't miss a minute of this riveting action. It's 4:50 p.m., significantly later than I normally film, but I'm filming anyway. That's how riveting it is. What you've stumbled across is Faith's Finds, which is usually a haul or an unboxing of some kind, and today I'm so excited. I know it's like really late in the afternoon and I'm about to lose all light at all, but I had to open this for you guys. This is a box, a very big box, from a Sage Goddess sample sale. I participated in one of their live stream sample sales, which, if you guys don't know, first of all, Sage Goddess is an online metaphysical market where you can find crystals and candles and bath salts and, you know, incense and all different kinds of metaphysical things. And every couple of weeks they have a live stream sample sale. It's live, it's intense, it's basically kind of like an auction, but not really. They introduce the item and then the first person to comment sold gets the item. She does giveaways, she does charity items where 100% of the sales proceeds from the sale of that item go to charity, and this particular one was a big one for me because I won a giveaway during the live stream, and she kind of did a little connecting with me, and it was really beautiful, and I was super excited to win it. And then I also got a surprise box that has a bunch of intuitively chosen treasures inside. So I'm going to unwrap and unbox all of these for you guys. I'm super excited about this. So first I'm going to open up this, which is a big thing, which I'm guessing is my giveaway prize. I won a very sizable quartz point that had some Mookite jasper on it, which quartz points don't normally do, so it was pretty exciting. Let me see if I can get it open. There we go. As you can see, things are very well wrapped, completely clad in bubble wrap and taped up really well. They definitely make sure that your stuff is protected, but, oh, here we go. That's so satisfying. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Ah, holy shit. It's even better than I anticipated. Look how big this bastard is. It's like the size of my head, almost. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, and the mook. At least I think that's Mookite jasper. There's a bunch of jasper back here. There's a few pieces down here. And Mookite jasper, for those of you who don't know, is the beauty stone. It's the stone of physical beauty. It's the stone that many people use to, they'll put it in their skincare products because it's supposed to help you age slower physically. So it's supposed to prevent fine lines and wrinkles from showing up, but there's just so much to see in this bad boy, and I'm so fucking thrilled that I won this. Like, this was free because I won the giveaway. I'm so pumped. It's so beautiful. You got some Lemurian lines over here, lots and lots of different faces and inclusions and things to look at. I'm so excited to dig into this guy. I mean, it's so big. Look how big it is. Oh, gave me like a little energy reading when she gave this to me. She said, you know, you make other people feel beautiful on a regular basis. You practice a lot of beauty magic, which I do. But this is, she channeled that this was a reminder to me of how beautiful I am, which was a really special thing. So thank you, Sage Goddess. This is amazing and wonderful and beautiful and perfect and So the next thing was the second thing that I actually bought. Like, I won, you know, one of these things, which is this beautiful wooden box. And in the wooden box there's supposed to be a bunch of intuitively chosen treasures. Now obviously this is, oops, this is in upside down. Winning. You know, it's got a bunch of little drawers in it and little containers, but they did not put the treasures inside the box. Instead they put them in separately. There are 3 treasures it looks like, but this is a beautiful wooden box. This is going to be perfect to store stones in. You could put smudging stuff in here. It seems pretty well built too, not too terribly cheaply made, although the handles on the doors are like little pins that you just fold down, but that doesn't really bother me that much. It's beautiful all the same, and I'm really, really happy to get this to use it as a box. I might store my jewelry in there. That would be good for that. So we've got 3 little parcels here. I guess I'll open them smallest to largest, or lightest to heaviest, I don't really know. But we'll just open a random one. Let's just open it. Let's just do it. Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh, it's a perfume! Ooh, what is this? Tiwaz. Okay, this is a rune perfume. Tiwaz. I'm gonna have to figure out what that rune means. I have a book about runes. And I'm gonna have to figure out what that means. Let's smell it. I can't wait. Let's smell it. Ooh, that smells really good. It's like light, but still kind of spicy at the same time. I haven't anointed yet, so I'm just gonna douse myself in this, don't mind me. It's got like a tobacco sort of element to it, but it's not too intrusive. It's just this lightly smoky scent. I really like that a lot. Next thing! So excited. These are all intuitively chosen, so I have no idea what they picked out for me. It's a complete surprise. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Ooh, all right. So we've got 2 things in here. There are tea lights, which are integrate tea lights, little tea candles, which is great because I was actually looking to get more tea lights. I was about to run out of tea lights. So it's a little 4-pack of tea lights. They've got some glitter in them, little blue glitters. Can you see that maybe somewhat? Ooh, they smell good too. Kind of like a deep, rich, lightly sweet, almost fruity sort of scent. Love that. So there's those. And then I also got Karmic Cleanse Ritual Powder. Isn't this a cute little container? That's adorable. I thought this was makeup at first, but it is not. It's 10 grams of really tightly packed, I don't know if you can see that, incense powder. Ooh, smells very herbal. I like that one. This you would put on a charcoal disc and burn, and the smoke would waft into your space and cleanse karmic lines. So that's pretty cool. Let's open this one up. This is the biggest one of the 3 and the last package we have. I love these little surprise boxes. You never know what you're gonna get. Oh, it feels like a sphere. I'm excited. I'm excited! Let's open it. There we go. Okay. What do we have? What do we have? Ooh, okay. This is awesome. I know exactly what this is because I actually have a sphere of this. This is petrified wood with some quartz veining through it, which is awesome. There you go. That's what that looks like. Petrified wood is an amazing grounding stone. Connects you to Mother Earth. Phone? Rude. Okay, so petrified wood is an ultimate grounding stone. At least that's what I suspect this is. It looks exactly like the other petrified wood sphere I have, but I don't mind having more than one. This is a slightly smaller one, so I could use it in my Reiki practice, on clients, or in meditation a little bit easier than my larger one, which currently sits in my sacred space, and it's sitting on a dinosaur vertebra. So it does come with a little sphere stand as well, which is nice and convenient, but this is beautiful. Look at that little guy. He looks like a planet. I love it. So this whole box total was $100, I believe. The tea candles hover around, I think, $15 to $17, I want to say. The perfumes hover between $29 and $42. Ritual powders, I'm not sure because I have never bought one from them. And then this sphere is most definitely the biggest value of the surprise box. Definitely a lot of value in that. A sphere this size of petrified wood would probably go for about $50 or so. So I would say I got my money's worth in terms of that. It's got some interesting things for me to try that I've never tried before. Oh, and by the way, I did get my little rune cheat sheet card. Let's see what Tiwaz? I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Let's see what Tiwaz means. It says, the god Tyr, self-sacrifice, justice, and victory. I mean, I'm a Libra, so justice is kind of what I'm all about, like the scales and everything. So that's pretty intuitively dead on. I mean, like, Libra, justice, victory. I can totally get down with that. But undoubtedly, the big wow piece that I got out of all of this is definitely my giveaway prize. It's huge, it's beautiful, and I'm just so happy that it is in my possession. I can't wait to work with this crystal and learn everything it has to teach me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You also get a perfume sample in every order. This one is Dia, which is one of her more famous perfumes. It's a very sweet floral scent. I do like this one a lot. I haven't bought the full size though because I have some samples of it. But that's the cool thing. If you get enough free samples of a specific perfume, you can get an empty roller bottle and just use a pipette to kind of combine them into a roller bottle. And these are about 1 milliliter each, so 10 of these will fill up a full size 10 milliliter bottle of perfume. That's about it, you guys. That is what I got in my live specimen sale surprise box and in my giveaway prize. I'm so happy with everything. There's a lot of stuff here for me to play with, a lot of fun to be had. I'm super happy with everything. I've got some new stuff to try. I've never used incense powder before. I've used incense oils before, but I've never used powders. So that's going to be really exciting. The perfume smells fantastic, and it's all about justice, self-sacrifice, and victory, which I'm down for. The box is beautiful. I could definitely see putting my jewelry in here. It's got lots of little nooks and crannies and spaces and exciting things. So that's really cool. And then of course the petrified wood sphere, beautiful little petrified wood sphere, and my giveaway prize. So happy. But that's about everything, you guys. I hope you guys found this entertaining. Let me know if you want to see more of these. I'm always ordering stuff from Sage Goddess, so I'm all too happy to unbox things for you guys. I love watching unboxing videos, so I was like, why not start doing them, right? But anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining. If you did, there's a button for that. Spank that like button in the butt, you know it deserves it. And if you want to see more from me, you've got a couple options now. You can click the videos on either side of my head to binge if you're bored or bummed out, or hey, you can hit that button that looks like my face and subscribe and become a member of the faithful today. I put out new videos every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!